Today I'm going to be building this miniature bookshop while listening to Days at the Morisaki Bookshop by Satoshi Yagisawa. The audiobook is about 5 hours long, so I think I would be able to finish it in 1 or 2 sittings. The story follows Takako. When her boyfriend reveals he's marrying someone else, she accepts her uncle's offer to live rent-free in the tiny room above his bookshop. At first, Takako feels depressed and struggles to adjust to her new life, but as she spends more time in the shop, surrounded by books and the people who love them, she slowly starts rediscovering herself. I love the idea of immersing myself in a bookish world while literally building one. I'm hoping to finish both in a day, but we'll see how it goes. This kit has a lot of tiny details, and I already know it's going to take some patience, but there's something nice about just sitting down and focusing on one thing. I'm halfway through the book now, and I have to say I really love how it captures the quiet magic of bookshops. It's not just about books, but about healing, connection, and finding a place where you belong. Honestly, working on building this miniature bookshop is so relaxing, and listening to the audiobook is the perfect way to pair with it. So I'm almost done with both the book and the build, and I'll share my thoughts on the book once I'm finished, but so far it's been a really enjoyable experience. And that's it, finished both the kit and Days at the Morisaki Bookshop. I'll be giving a quick review of the book now, but overall this was a fun way to spend the day. I didn't realize how quickly time flew by with this bookshop building kit. I was completely engrossed in both building it and listening to the audiobook. The book was pretty short, it's about 5 hours long, so I finished both around the same time. As for the book, I really enjoyed it. It's a slow-paced story with not much going on, yet I found myself truly caring for the main character, Takako. I hope that she would find happiness and her purpose in life by the end of the book. As the synopsis reveals, she's been in a toxic relationship and working for her uncle at a bookshop, and rediscovering her love of reading truly helped her to go through this difficult time. And I think many people can relate to that, myself included. Reading often helps me to escape the world, and in many instances, it calms my anxiety. So seeing how being surrounded by books and people who share the love of reading helped Takako to go through this difficult time in her life felt really meaningful and relatable. The book is divided into two segments. One focuses on Takako's story, her work in the bookshop, and her going through the heartbreak, while the other delves deeper into her uncle's relationship with his wife, who left him years ago. And I will admit that I was less engaged with the second part of the book, but that said, I would still recommend it if you don't mind the slow pacing. This book is perfect for cozy vibes, but it's not plot heavy, if it makes sense. The audiobook in particular was incredibly relaxing and atmospheric, so I would definitely recommend this book in audiobook form. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.